You've heard of ChatGPT, you've heard of Siri, but now everyone is talking about AI agents, and they're completely different. So, what exactly is an AI agent? Stick around for 3 minutes, and you'll understand it better than 99% of people. Most AI tools, like ChatGPT, are reactive. You ask a question, they answer. That's it. They wait for you to do all the work. An AI agent is different. It doesn't just answer, it acts. It can set its own goals, make decisions, and take steps on its own, without you holding its hand every second. Think of it like this. Imagine you hire an assistant. You ask them, "What's a good restaurant near me?" And they tell you the name. That's regular AI. But an AI agent is like telling that assistant, "Book me dinner for tonight." And they search restaurants, check your calendar, make the reservation, and send you a confirmation, all by themselves. One goal. Multiple steps. Zero hand-holding. That's an AI agent. So where do they exist right now? Example 1. Customer service. Companies use AI agents that can read your complaint, check your order, issue a refund, and email you, all without a human touching it. Example 2. Coding. Tools like GitHub Copilot can act as agents, reading your code, finding bugs, fixing them, and testing the result automatically. Example 3. Your daily life. Imagine an agent that wakes up before you, checks your emails, reads the news, and prepares your summary before you even open your eyes. An AI agent uses 3 things. 1. A brain, a powerful AI model that thinks and plans. 2. Tools, like the ability to search the web, send emails, or open apps. 3. A loop. It acts, checks the result, then decides what to do next, over and over until the job is done. AI agents are not the future anymore. They're already here, changing how we work, shop, and live. And the best part, you don't need to be a tech genius to understand them. You just watched this video, so you're already ahead of most people. If this helped you, like this video and subscribe, because every week we break down the most complex AI topics in the simplest way possible. See you in the next one.